first we're going to remove these two screws here. These are 5.5 millimeters, one here and one here. And then we'll remove that clip right over there. And then this whole piece will be kind of pulled down and out of the way to access the lights. Notice I turn the wheel so that it's easier to access the lights. It's a little hard to see. This here is the high beam light, and then up here is the low beam light. I'll be showing you what we need to do here on the high beam light. First thing you do is you remove this boot. Just pull these out. Peel them back and remove them. Changing the high beam light and the low beam light and the driving lights are similar. You'll notice right inside here is where the bulb is. And you'll grab the bulb and turn it the quarter turn counterclockwise. You can remove the light. This clip right here to remove the light by pushing up and then pulling. I'll be replacing mine with the Seal Light LED bulbs. I had to remove the ring from my new bulb and replace it with the ring from my old bulb because it was too tight. Replace and tighten the screws. Replace the plastic clip.